Contestant number 1. Not yet. Okay. Okay na. Contestant number 1, RaulDelaVega. RaulDelaVega, contestant number 1. Here is your topic. If you could trade places with your parents for a day, what would you do differently? I repeat, if you could trade places with your parents for a day, what would you do differently? Contestant number 1, RaulDelaVega.
Madam Contest Chair, fellow Toastmasters and friends, if only I could take the place of my parents. The one thing that I would like to do is be able to advise the youth that there is another alternative other than eloping. Now, why is that important? Because nowadays, a lot of youths and people, they take for granted the benefits and the blessings of getting married. They think that to get married, you need a 400-count list of guests. You need a nice dress and suit, and you also need a good venue. So what happens? They don't get married. What also happens? They decide to just live in. But if I could take the place of my parents, I would give them a few options. One is, you could elope in a positive way. What you do, you get your spouse to be and tell your relatives, hey, we're going to elope, we're just going to get married, but after that, make sure you come over to the reception. Yeah, that sounds like a good deal because we love receptions. And then your favorite family members and friends, hey, most likely it'll come to something like 20, 30, that'll be fine. And they'll still get married, everyone is happy, and the couple gets the blessing of being married. Fellow Toastmasters and friends, the benefit of society with that is they get a positive family, and then they'll teach their children a good example, and the family, which is the basic unit of society, will grow better, and we get a better society. Madam Contest Chair.